Hi, I am Madhura. Welcome to madhurasrecipe.com developing a new taste. Today we are going to make split masoor dal fry. This is called as dal kanda in Maharashtra. This is commonly prepared in southwest part of Maharashtra like Kolhapur, Satara. My husband belongs to Satara and he is a big fan of this dal kanda. This is very simple and easy recipe and gets ready in just about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's go ahead with our ingredients. There has been lots of discussion, confusion about whole masoor dal and split masoor dal. Let me explain you the difference between these two dals. This is whole masoor dal. Whole masoor dal is brown in color and it has a silky texture. When this skin is removed and it is split, then the result is this split masoor dal. This split masoor dal is orange in color. This split masoor dal gets cooked quickly. Soaking and boiling is not required in case of this split masoor dal. Whereas whole masoor dal we need to soak this for about 3 to 4 hours and again we are required to pressure cook it. Now there are lots of variations in cooking both this dal. About whole masoor dal, some people prefer to make amti using this dal. Amti is a kind of curry. It has little bit of watery consistency and it is sometimes spicy or sweet and sour in taste. Some people prefer to sprout this whole masoor dal and prefer to make usal using this whole masoor dal. Now today we are going to use this split masoor dal to prepare dal kanda. Now there are lots of variations in cooking dal kanda in Maharashtra. This can be prepared by using tur dal, moong dal or chana dal. If split masoor dal is not available, you can also go ahead and make use of moong dal. If you are using moong dal, just wash it 2-3 times and soak it in water for about half an hour. Now oil is heating up in a pan. First we are going to add mustard seed. Now add cumin seed, a pinch of hing or asafoetida, dried red chilies and chopped garlic. Adding of dried red chilies is optional, you may just skip it. Now saute this till garlic gets nice golden color. Garlic has got nice golden color. Now I'm going to go ahead and add chopped onion. Mix it well and we need to cook this till onion gets light golden color. Onion has got nice golden color. Now we need to add red chili powder. Now if you have a goda masala or kanda lasun masala available at home, you can go ahead and add this at this point of time. Now cook this till oil separates from the spices. Oil has started to separate from the spices. Now it's the time to add dal. This split masoor dal gets cooked quickly. We don't need to soak this. Just rinse this in cold water for about 2 to 3 times and drain water from it. Now we are going to add this dal into it. Add this washed dal. Mix this properly. After mixing this dal properly with onion masala, now we are going to add water into it. Now about water, we don't need to add too much water while cooking this split masoor dal. If we add too much water, then it may get totally mashed up. Just add the amount of water till the level this dal gets covered with water. You can see we need to add water till the level this dal gets covered by this water. Now we are going to add some salt. Mix. And cover this and cook this for about 6 to 7 minutes. I have cooked this dal for about 7 minutes. Now open cover. Wow, it looks so good. You can see this dal is cooked fully, but at the same time it is not mashed up totally. This is how we want to cook this dal. Now just a final touch, we are going to add some garam masala over it. Mix. And also I have some chopped coriander leaves. Perfect. This dal kanda tastes superb. This is a great recipe to cook when you run out of time, out of vegetables. Serve this with roti, chapati or rice. Thanks for spending time with me. See you soon in another part of madhuratrecipe.com, developing a new taste. Till then, bye bye.